This is how you add fun dynamic captions generated automatically just in this tool without needing to pay anything. So, if you want to create fun TikTok or Reels or whatever, you go to CapCut, you make sure to go to text captions and make sure that automatic captions are on. You can see even Romanian here and lots of languages, not only English. Press on on start in this auto captions tab, and that's it. Captions are generated for you automatically, and now you can easily edit them fast and easy. And not only that, you can edit individual ones. So you select the key word that you want, you go to effects, you turn off the apply to all there, and you easily edit only one of it, only one keyword, for example, like I did with the free here. And so much more you can do even in the desktop app. So you can do the same stuff in the desktop app. Let me show you. And you install it for free. So all of this is free, and you don't need to pay for pro features or something like that. And let's check out the word simple. Boom. As you can see, with a single click, it's automatically edited.